guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today is part 2. I like those bumps. Of the M interior installation. So what are we going to install now? The seats, the front seats and the front door panels. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. Yesterday everything went pretty decently. We were for about 2 hours busy, I think, and now maybe also 1 hour and a half. Not sure yet, because the seats are actually easier, but the front doors are apparently a little bit harder because he has to make a wire to get the door lights working. So we'll see. But yeah, I am pretty excited about this. And then tomorrow I'm gonna drop off the car to redo the tint. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun actually. Like I said, it's a nice modification. The interior, I haven't experienced it quite a lot at the moment because I only have been driving with my new seats down, and that's it actually. But now with the new seats, it's gonna be way better, and I hope everything works, like the heated seats and stuff like that. We'll see. But yeah, it's a cool modification, and then we're gonna set everything up for the roof, stuff like that. So yeah, see you when I'm there. And suddenly we have twins. That's my car, of course, but my friend's car is pretty similar to mine actually. He's on his winter wheels, but he has also a cool front lip, and also the black kidneys. Mine is a little bit more aggressively tuned as his, but he still has a very nice spec. Like I said, mine is a little bit more aggressive, but yeah. And there he is. My mate here is trying to get the wire work for the light, because these doors have a light under here. This one is still my original door though, and that light shines a symbol over here, but it's a little bit ricey because it's the M symbol. Oh dear. Okay, so we got the doors in. So as you can see, that looks pretty nice with Alcantara and stuff like that. And now Justin is removing the seats, but we disconnected the battery because otherwise we're getting an airbag light, and I don't want that. So we also have a little extra in the door. Underneath there's a small light that will reflect the logo on the ground, which is pretty cool. Now he's trying to remove the seat, and then the seats are in, and then we're done for today, because the wiring for the lights has been a little pain in the ass, but he managed to fix it. Okay, so we got the doors installed, but we didn't get the seats, and they are still here in the back of my car, because, let me switch cameras first. Justin didn't have the right tools to unbolt my seats, so that was a little bit unfortunate, but the best part is I do have the tools, and it's actually the easiest part of the whole process. It's just unplugging the battery, otherwise you get an airbag fault, unbolting 4 screws, and unbolting 4 screws, unplug the connector from the seats, and then install everything back again. So it should be that easy. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna hope I don't fuck anything up. I'm gonna try the passenger seat first, because if I fuck something up, then it's not, the car is still drivable then. So I'm gonna start with the passenger seat, and if that works like it should, then I'm gonna do this one. Because like I said, if I screw something up, then if this seat isn't, secured well, I'm not gonna drive this car because that's dangerous. If that seat is not secured well, then that's not my problem, because I'm never a passenger in my car, and then we have to take my girlfriend's car, and I don't mind that. So yeah, and also we got an extra bonus. So we still have to get the wires decently working, but look at that riser image. Now I got M logos on the ground every time I get up, but you can't see it that well because it's still daylight. But yeah, that wasn't really necessary for me, but it's there. So, but at least the armrest looks cool with the Alcantara. It's also here installed and there, but I forgot to get this one. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Anyway guys, for the seat, I'm not gonna install them now because I have no time actually, because I'm gonna make the video of dropping off the car for a new tint, because the tint got screwed up last time, because they had to cut out the glass, and the tint didn't survive. So we're gonna redo that one now. I'm gonna drop off the car, picking it up tomorrow, because I have to go to work. And then also I got a call also tomorrow, but I'm gonna split these videos up a little bit. Also tomorrow they are finally going to place my side skirt. Hooray. And then this Friday maybe I can install my seats then, but I'm more thinking of getting a haircut and a shave, because I'm looking like Bigfoot. And then Saturday we are gonna lower the car, and then Sunday there's a meeting. So like I said, there's going to be a lot of work on the car. But anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.